Well, I do have to have heart-to-heart conversations with clients when, as the expression you just used, they want justice beyond the money. Let me talk about a couple of examples. Let's talk about drunk drivers. This, more than anything else, has been a cause célèbre in our society, hasn't it? I mean, there's Mothers Against Drunk Drivers, there's the NFL, the PTA, I mean, the NBA, the Democrats, the Republicans, everybody doesn't like drunk drivers. Now, in Virginia, they have a law that allows for what's called punitive damages. Punitive damages are money, it's compensation for the victim to punish the drunk driver. So if the blood alcohol content of the drunk driver is a 0.15 or more, then the victim, the person who got hurt, is entitled by law to be able to make claim for extra compensation above and beyond payment of medical bills, lost wages, and the normal things associated with being injured, the disruption of life, the pain, the aggravation, the suffering. They're entitled by law to get more money for punitive damages. Not so in Maryland. Maryland does not have a statutory scheme that allows for punitive damages in injury claims. But you get somebody who come into your office and they will say, I want this person punished. And it's not about the money for me. I don't want them ever driving again. I want them to lose their license. And my response is, I agree with you. My job as your civil lawyer is to compensate you to the maximum amount by law possible, to obtain that compensation for you, to obtain those dollars. What you've just described, my client, about punishment, that's up to the police and the prosecutor. We can't control that. We hope that they're going to be prosecuted. We hope that they're going to be put in jail and made to think about their behavior. We hope that they're going to take their license away. We hope that they're going to be forced into an alcohol rehabilitation program. So that's one example. There are others. People sometimes, get angry and they want the same kinds of things for things that we call simple negligence. They weren't paying attention and they ran the stop sign and caused an intersection collision. Well, the system of civil justice just unfortunately doesn't provide for that measure of an eye for an eye, if you will. The civil justice system only allows for money. And again, there are going to be certain circumstances where we can look for punitive damages. But that's the answer to your question. That, basically you're right. Sometimes we do have to sit down and have the heart-to-heart with them.